This station is conducting a test of the EAS or Emergency Alert System, at the request of local authorities and the Texas State Emergency Management Agency. KERA-TV is testing its EAS equipment to ensure that it is working correctly, and can be effectively used during an emergency. Had this been an actual emergency, such as a severe thunderstorm warning, tornado warning, or other local, state, etc. emergency, you would have been notified on what steps to take to protect yourself and keep yourself safe. KERA serves the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex and all of the North Texas operational broadcast area. This concludes this test of the North Central Texas Emergency Alert System, and we will now return you to your regularly scheduled programming. Thank you.